Not sure whether to hold gold and silver in a retirement account or keep it as physical cash? You're not alone. Each choice comes with big trade offs. When you invest in gold or silver, one of the first decisions is whether to place it inside a gold IRA or hold it directly as physical coins and bars. In this section, the guide breaks it down clearly. IRA held metals can offer tax advantages depending on your situation. Physical possession gives you direct control but comes with storage and security considerations. By laying out both sides, this guide helps you see how each option fits different retirement goals. So you're not making this decision based on guesswork. I'll link this one in the description so you can read the full breakdown for yourself. This is just one of the 8 free PDFs in Augusta's Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. Each one tackles a different piece of the gold and silver investing puzzle, from understanding economic trends to avoiding common IRA mistakes. The goal is to help you make clear, confident choices before you buy. You can download the full bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and gives you a complete picture before you take the next step. The link's in the description.